want to be like you when I grow up.
I bet.
Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my YouTube channel EntertainMe Chic. In case this is your first time, it's your girl Floxy Chinny, and on this video I will be sharing with you my travel experience from Ondo State to Gombe State. Yes, to Gombe State for my NYSC. Firstly, to set on this journey, I got my documents ready, then my NYSC essentials. I packed them all well in the box, and the following morning I woke up as early as 4 a.m. to get ready and get to the park. And on the park there were all people who were traveling as well. So at this point we're about to take off. The journey through from Ondo State to Abuja. We stopped at Kaba in Kogi State to have something to eat, as the journey needs some energy too. After the refreshment, we continued on our journey. At this point we were heading towards Obajano. Obajano is still part of Kogi State. Yes, it's part of Kogi State, and in this place we have the Dangote cement factory. It's a very big factory there. Yes, a very big one. From Obajano, we headed towards Lokoja. Here is Lokoja International Market. The market is just by the major road. Yes, after that we headed towards River Niger. Yes, River Niger. And here is the Murtala Muhammad Bridge in Lokoja. This is River Niger, and this is Murtala Muhammad Bridge in Lokoja. As much as I love traveling, I become frustrated when there are hiccups on the way. What happened here was a vehicle breaking down. It was so annoying because at this point it was raining like never before. It rained all through. We had to like stay, hang around before the mechanic came and started working on the vehicle before we could move. Oh, vehicle breaking down in the middle of nowhere can be very frustrating. This one just happened immediately we left the Murtala Muhammad Bridge in Lokoja, heading towards Abuja. After waiting for 4 hours thereabouts, we finally took off to Abuja. We got to Abuja late in the night. It was very late at night when we arrived at Abuja, so had to stay over in a sister's place, a sister from another mother. Yes, so to continue my journey the following day. Good morning, guys. Yes, yesterday journey was so stressful. I got here very late at night, and thank God I have a sweet soul. A sweet soul that was able to help me. She helped me. She accommodated me in this beautiful apartment, and she's here. She has been a wonderful soul because right from even before I got admission, she has been helpful. She doesn't like me mentioning that, yes, she doesn't. But she has been helpful. Here she is this time around, helping me out again. She accommodated me to continue my journey this morning to Gombe. Here she is. Yes. Hi. Thank you, sis. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Thank you. I had to stop by the pharmacy to get anti-malaria in case of emergency. It was still very early in the morning. They were not allowing people to go in because they've not really opened. Thereafter, we headed towards the Jabi Park. So it's actually a distance from Cuba. It's really a distance. She took me all the way to Jabi Park where I can get a vehicle that will take me to Gombe State. Yes, here is the beautiful city of Abuja. Fine woman. Hey, God, when no, I want to be like you when I grow up.
I bet. Baby, just they play. They play.
I want to be like you when I grow up.
Okay, now they play.
So when we got to the park, it was a rowdy place, so I could not cover anything there. And here we've taken off. This is the vehicle taking us to Gombe State. Yes, it was really a far distance from Abuja. From Abuja to Gombe State is plus or minus 9 hours. 9 hours, yes, without any stopover or any problem of vehicle breaking down or anything. It can be that far. Hello guys. Yeah, we're still here. The journey has not been funny. We stopped over at some place in Jos to freshen up, like eat something, get water if you want, just get something to eat so it can give you energy to continue on this rugged journey. I call it rugged journey because something happened back from the route we took along Kaduna, somebody was caught carrying something that is not supposed to carry. So we got delayed there. It was horrible. The experience was horrible actually. But because that's past now, I'm not explaining, so it's looking like as if it is not so serious. But thank God we were able to settle them and they were able to let us go. So please stay connected as we journey through this Gombe. Yeah, we are in Bauchi City. It's been a long journey. This was around some minutes past 5 p.m. that we arrived at Amada Camp in Gombe State. And with this, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.